the nodes and vessels that return lymph to the blood and help the body fight disease. Lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is a network in the body that helps remove waste and fight infections. Imagine you're cleaning up your house after a party, gathering all the trash and leftovers to take them out to the garbage bins. Just like you collect and dispose of waste to keep your home clean, the lymphatic system collects excess fluid and waste products from tissues and returns them to the bloodstream while also filtering out harmful substances. In this analogy, the lymphatic vessels are like the paths you take to dispose of trash. The lymph nodes are like checkpoints that inspect and remove harmful debris, and the lymph is the waste and excess fluid being transported, all working together to maintain the body's health and cleanliness.